Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to hide a followers list on Instagram business account. To start, first open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Here, tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Tap on these three horizontal lines on your top right corner, then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on creators tools and controls. Here you have the option of switch account type. Basically, you can't hide your followers list if you have a business account. If you want to do so, you need to switch to a personal account. So go ahead and switch to your personal account. Again, go to your profile. Here, tap on the same three horizontal lines on your top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on account privacy. Turn this toggle on to make it private account. Again, tap on switch to private to confirm it. Now, once you have switched your account type, your followers list will be hidden. Let's switch account to see it. You can also ask a friend to confirm it for you by opening your Instagram account. Search for the account that we have just switched. As you can see, its followers are hidden now. Even if I tap on a specific section, I'm not able to see the followers list. If someone wants to see your followers and following, they need to follow you. Otherwise, it's not possible for them to see. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.